guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna do a full face using products that I got from the Sephora VIP sales. As you may know, usually Sephora has two sales every year, one in the spring and one in the summer. So for this time, they're having the VIP special, everything 15% off. So I have two full bags of products that I got from the sales. Usually during the sale, I try to stock off on the products that I usually use and trying to get some of the new products that they just launched. Instead of like showing you each products that I bought, I just thought maybe it's better that I can try and apply these products on my face so you have a better idea of how this product works and what it look like. If you're interested, please keep watching, and before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so I can let you know when I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. To save some time, I'm gonna try to open the box first and then show you the products so we don't have to sit here for like a really long time. First thing I'm gonna do is prep my skin. What I have right here is Olehenriksen Sea Rust Brightening Gel Cream. Oh, it smells really good. If you love citrus smell, so this is gonna be perfect for you. This cream has a peach tint to it, so it's gonna help to illuminate your skin, make your skin instantly glowing. This one gonna give you hydration while it helps for your fine lines, wrinkle and pores. I'm gonna let it dry down a little bit and start working on my eyes. I have Olehenriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. This one also has the yellow corrective tone to it, so it's gonna brighten your under eyes. This one also has the vitamin C in it, so it's gonna help to target sign of aging. It's also reducing the look of dark circle. It also foam and hydrate your under eyes. Using these two products is gonna give you instantly a glow to your skin. It's gonna make your skin having that glow, like your skin glowing from within. For primer, I'm gonna try the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas Protective Primer. So this one gonna help with fine lines and pore. It's gonna give you a silky canvas so your makeup can go on smoothly. This one can use as your face primer as well as your eyes and your lips. I'm just gonna scoop it up a little bit so to prevent this, bacteria from spreading in this one. And I'm just gonna smooth it out on my skin. It feels like silk on my skin. Is really smooth and soft. They say this have this technology that supposed to help you prevent from breaking out while using these products. Moving on to foundation, I have with me is the Coverfx Powder Play Foundations. I tried this one a couple weeks ago, but the color matching is not correct, so I just returned it. And during the sales, I just got this one back, and hopefully the color is gonna match my skin tone. The shade that I'm having right now is G+50. They said this one is a modern matte foundation. It's a blurring foundation that's gonna give you a full coverage. The last time I tried this one, even though it has a matte finish, but it's not like a crunchy matte finish, it's really comfortable in the skin. So that's why I got this one back again. And the shade is not oxidized on my skin. It's spread proof, long wearing, and it's shine control throughout the day. I'm just gonna use my Sigma F80 to buff this one on my skin. This one comes in 40 shades. This shade range is incredible. They did a really good job on this one. As you can see, it looks really natural on my skin. It's not heavy at all. I would say this one gave me like a medium coverage. It's not a full coverage like other foundation, but you can definitely build this one up to a full coverage if you want. I also got this new concealer from Lauramercier. It's the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. This one is a medium to full coverage. It's weightless, it's hydrate and blur up to 12 hours. It's also crease resistant. I'm just gonna conceal my under eyes. gonna use this one to brown my eyes as well. I'm just gonna blend this one using my Real Technique. To set my under eyes, I'm gonna go back to my Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Kit. I suggest that you take advantage of these sales and get this as my holy grail. You can set your face, you can contour with this palette. I usually use it to help to use it as my eyeshadow as well. So it's very multi-purpose palette. And as you can see, I hit pan on this one and this one, so I'm probably gonna go and get another one during the sales. So I'm just gonna go to my use my Beauty Blender and go to my banana shade in the middle shade right here and just press it on. Also set my eyes with this powder as well. The banana shade gonna help to brighten your under eyes. The new setting powder. This is the Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh powder. This one's supposed to be a water powder. I heard this have like a lot of good thing about this one. It's also set and hydrate your skin. It feels really cool. It feels like wet, but it's a powder. But I haven't try anything like this before. I read the review. They say a lot of people say this one is not good to set your under eyes, but it's really good to set the rest of your face. And I'm going to use a big fluffy brush. When you just apply this one on your face, it's give me the feeling my brush is wet, but it's not. It's actually from the powder itself. It's supposed to hydrate your skin. It's just a really different feeling. I never feel anything like this before. For eyebrow, I have the Diorshow brow styler. It's a retractable eye pencil, so you don't have to sharpen it. And it has one bully at the end, so you can brush out your hairs. And the shade that I'm having right now is the Universal number 2 dark brown. I hope it's not too dark for me. To set my brow, I use the Hourglass Art Brow Volumizer Fiber Gel. It gives me volume to my brow. It looks really natural as well. For the eyes, I don't know what to do. I have the new Pat McGrath Brows Ambitions. It's just so gorgeous. This one has every brown that you can get. I have the Toofaced Natural Matte and Toofaced Natural Eyes. Look at these two palettes. Isn't that cute? They're so beautiful. Look at this. It has like lace like in the front. This is Natural Eyes and this is Natural Matte. This palette is all matte, but look at these shades. They're just so gorgeous. And this is the Natural Eyes palette. It has some matte and some shimmer shades in this. I don't know which palette I'm gonna use, but let's just go with these two. I just love these two palettes. With this palette, you can create like natural everyday look, or you can go like smoky eyes with these. Looking up at these two palettes, I see that both of them have this shades right here, Heaven. In the same palette, they both have the same shade, but that's the only shade that they have. To set your shadow, I'm gonna use the Natural Eyes palette. I'm gonna go with Strip Poker. I'm gonna use that as my transition color. Next, I'm gonna go with Cashmere Bunny. It's this shade right here. I'm gonna use Honey Pot. It's this shade right here. I'm just gonna use it with my finger. It's so easy to use and you can create any daytime look with this palette. I'm gonna run Cashmere Bunny on my lower lash line. And I'm gonna use Strip Poker and blend out the lower lash line. I'm gonna use my SMASHBOX Always On Liquid Liner. I'm just gonna run a thin line on my eyes. This one go on so easily. When you say small line, a wing came out, but it was so easily to create a wing with this one, so I just got carried away with this and I'm loving this. So now I'm just gonna highlight my eye with the MARC gel liner. I love this one. I mean, it's so creamy, it goes on so easily and it does not bleed on my waterline. I'm gonna run this MARC gel liner in the color in the buff. For the lash, I'm gonna use the new one from VELOUR. It's this Effortless, Short and Sweet. This one, you don't have to trim it. Isn't that pretty? It's really good for everyday use. Lashes are on. I really love this pair. It's really comfortable. I don't feel any heavy lashes on my eyes. The length is so perfect for everyday use. It's so natural. That's what I love about this pair. And it's so easy to go on as well. Usually it takes me like half an hour to have like they both evenly. But this one only took me 5 minutes. It's perfect. So while I wait for my lash glue to dry, I'm gonna finish my face. For bronzer, I'm gonna use the NARS bronzing powder. This is the shades that I'm using. It's the shade Laguna. It's really lightweight. I like this one because it's not too orange and it's not too gray. It's giving me a natural sun-kissed glow to my skin. And this one has a little bit gold shimmer in it, so it's gonna give you a little like healthy glow. For a pop of color on my cheek, I have here is the Narsissist Limited Editions Wanted Cheek palette. It looks like this. They have two shades. They have Wanted 1 and Wanted 2, and the palette that I picked up is Wanted 1. I think it's the most suitable for my skin tone. It has 6 colors, really nice range of color that you can use for spring, summer, and you can use that in the winter as well. This one has matte, satin, and shimmer finish. Today I'm gonna use, this one has a little bit shimmer, I'm gonna use this one today. With this palette, you can do it as a sheer wash color or you can build it up. But for today, I'm just gonna use it really sheer. Today, I'm gonna try on the new NARS highlighting powder. This one is the shade. This shade is 4 difference. It's a champagne shade. Look pretty. It's giving me like a actual wet look is not glittery. It's really nice. It's not chunky. It's like your skin lit from within, really natural. I like it. For the lip, I have new liquid matte lipstick from Hudabeauty, and I have the lip contour lip liner. I'm just gonna line my lip with this. It goes on so easily, and the lipstick shades that I have is Sugar Mama. I just love the name. This Dove applicator, you don't have to use lip liner if you don't want to. I'm gonna finish everything with the setting spray. This is from Urban Decay All Nighter. This is the complete look using all of the Sephora haul products that I got for this year. And that's it for my video. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Let me know in the comment down below what are the products that you're gonna pick it up. Hope you have a great day, and I will see you in my next video.